Come on, what's the point?
Why? What's the point?
Hey guys, what's the point?
Can I ask why?
What's the point?
What is the point of confessing if I don't repent?
Try to have fun. Otherwise, what's the point?
Good idea, Pinyin. But without him, what's the point?
And what's the point of having a million cups and medals and planes if you don't have any fun? What's the point?
Maybe there is no point.
But you can't even tell the difference.
It's not the point.
Well, what is the point?
What's the point of making all that money if you can't spend it?
Well, he couldn't spend it, but he could invest it. There's no demands, there's no meeting place. What's the point in sending you this?
What's the point? You're grounded. Your parents aren't going to take us anywhere.
We're supposed to make each other feel safe. Otherwise, what's the point?
Why did you tell me about it?
What do you mean?
I mean, what's the point?
What's the point? I lose, I die. I win, they kill me.
If you don't fight, I'll kill you now.
Riley, what's wrong?
Let's go.
You're not gonna finish tryouts?
What's the point?
Hey, it'll be all right. Let's just
Stop saying everything will be all right.